Guinness. Bubble side put down. Put it between these two knives. Okay. Push. Use your hand. Make sure it's locked there. Then vacuum sealing. It's have a five button vacuum sealing and seal, stop, push, pump. Now it's selling. If you want to sell one more time, you can press sell one more time. Sell one more time, so it will be very tight. Stick together, very strong. Okay, let's check it out. Push here, open it. See, very strong. You can put this for whole year. It's still vegans inside. Let's try this chocolate. Between this 2.9, this H, this back. Open. Push. Very strong push, no worry. Okay, if the food is liquid or is wet, you don't need vacuum sealing. You just seal, push here is separate. The function is separate. If it is dry stuff inside, you can use vacuum seal. If it's too much, you can stop. Still good. Maybe damage. If you're afraid damage. Yes. Seal one more time, so it will never leak. Seal 3 times. I like seal 3 times. Let's check it out. Yeah, perfect. Take a look. Yes, you can put whole year, never leak, because you sealed 3 times. If you seal 1 time, maybe it's not so strong like that. Very good. is better than food server. Food server is $140, 150. This one, $50. Okay. Thank you.